Is it he who love this bearing silence with everyone like staring at you. That's the stuff that makes you like, comfortable.
Hi, I'm Ishan and I'm on set with her. For a day or like in general? Like forever? Forever! I kind of like my life. Live in a period would be fun. Like, I'll choose my own, Man Kapoor from Suitable Boy. I was inducted with like an article going out about me having a cold war with my director Majidi on my first film set. Like a cold war, like just like staring each other out, and I don't even know what that means. So that I woke up to read that newspaper and then I showed it to him. I was like, "Sir," and he was like, "Lol." Anyway, go do your work. I can mix cuisines. Like I can do Asian, Italian. That's not weird, right? Like people do that. It's weird? It's weird. Like just some bhurji and spaghetti, like it's a spot. Danger Zone from Top Gun. Highway to the Danger Zone. I do a lot of daily chores to music. I do most things with music playing in the background. Making coffee, food, putting on my clothes, whatever. Dancing while doing everything. That kind of thing. I shower with music sometimes. Most times. That's normal, right? That's not weird. That's normal. Indian food. Ghar ka khana. It depends on the day and it depends on the set. If it's a movie set, it's very different from, anything else, which can be more fun and casual and, usually there's weeks and months of preparation before going on a movie set. On the day, it's having a playlist. Really depends on the day, depends on the scene, changes a lot. The first shot that I ever gave in my life as a lead actor for Beyond the Clouds, we were shooting in like the fisheries near Sassoon docks, and in Mumbai, that's like a dockyard, for anyone who is not familiar with the geography. And I had to like jump onto this ship and, go and do this activity. And I slipped and I fell on my bum. And like inches away from falling 30 feet down into the water. That would have been bad for the film and for me. But it just like stripped all my inhibitions away. Like the first take ever, boom, fell on my ass. I was like, now I'm there. And weirdly, it got me into character. Like after that, there was no looking back. So mistakes are good. I mean, it's not even a guilty pleasure. It's got to be friends, right? You can watch and yeah, everyone's nodding. Not guilty. I love the smile on your faces. I actually do like taking just a souvenir from my characters. Sometimes it's a piece of costume, sometimes it's a prop. The Perfect Couple, it was a shirt from Pippa, it was my beret hat, with the pin that I was given from the army. Just stuff like that, like from different films, different things. Usually costume, one piece of clothing. Off the top of my head, I remember this one day we were shooting, again for my first film, in Dhobi Ghat, and it was a very high-strung, intense moment, and I was kind of like talking to myself, and I guess I started grunting and doing other things, and I think some people in Dhobi Ghat got scared of me. They were like, "Ye bichara kaun pagal hai?" So that kind of stuff is fairly normal, actually. A scene that I have to come in running or something like that, I'll probably do a few sprints. I have more than once maybe hurt myself, which is not cool. Don't do that. I've lost 12 kilos for a character in 14 days, which is again not healthy, so don't do that. Speaking from experience. So yeah, lots of weird things. Got it? Awesome. Easy peasy?